Okay, Alondra, you're counting 20 more. Go ahead and mark up to 40 and write 20, honey. So where's your, is this the 20 square or is this one? Okay, so go ahead and write 20. And who is 100? Sean, wait for Cole and then you'll be doing the same. That way you don't have to count all 100, okay? All right. Wait till Alondra gets her 20. Okay, so right at the end, go ahead and draw a line and mark 40, and then Nate's going to continue on. Nate, go ahead. Can you write the number 40? Okay. And then Nate, you got 41. Go ahead. Keitlen, stay right there. Sam, go ahead. You're going to count up. From there, you're going to count 20 squares to 140. Okay? So he just marked the square. So you're going to count here. You see the little squares? Okay? So you're going to count the squares. And you're going to count 20. So 1, 2.
Keep your iPad. Oh, and
Okay, so I'm going to draw a little line where it ends. And can you write your number? What was your number? 120?
yeah, that's more.
140. So you write 140. Calculated yesterday. So my first one that starts the solar system is the sun. Make sure your iPads are on because we're going to get a picture at the very end of all of these. So make sure you can see them. So who is my son? Haley. Come here, please.
Wait, sound.
You are going to show your picture of the sun.
Face it up and hold it.
Okay. And at the top. So Haley's going to go ahead and show them. Haley's going to be positioned at the beginning of our solar system. So when we go to take the picture, I'm not quite sure. We'll have to see if we can fit everybody in, Mrs. Warner, from here. I brought my iPad 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You're going to be right here on this line. Okay? So, there are my 4 inner planets. Smile for Mrs. Warner. Show your iPad so she can see it. They're apart, as we're going to see right now. So, Jupiter, and then comes Saturn. So Saturn is 9.5. Shahad, you're going to be at how many AUs? 95. Okay, so here's our 80 marked off, or our 100. So you need to find your 95, whichever way you want to. Notice a gap between Jupiter and Saturn. $192, yep. Okay. Here is Uranus. Okay, turn this way so that they can see. Puts it into perspective. How far apart the outer planets are, how close together the inners are. All right? Anything else, Mrs. Warner, you want to add? I love this, though. Isn't it great?
Mm-hmm. It's wonderful.
If you guys could carefully pick up your Sharpies. Wait a second, I guess.